Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well. So today's recipe is mixed beans with pan-fried sea bass. Now this recipe, I literally put a few things together and it turned out so good for my low-carb diet. I had to share it with you guys. So stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I will use the following ingredients. I have finely chopped shallots, chopped garlic, chopped mixed bell peppers. On this plate, I have my sea bass. In this bowl, I'm using tinned beans and I have red kidney beans and butter beans. I have drained the water from the beans. I also have spinach, Himalayan salt, smoked paprika, white pepper, black pepper, tinned cherry tomatoes, coconut oil, mixed herb, coriander, cumin, and finally jumbo crayfish flavouring stock. I will list all the ingredients including measurement in the description box below. Firstly, I'm going to season the skin side of the sea bass and I will gently press the seasoning in. Next, I will flip the sea bass over, repeat the seasonings, and I will set this aside for later use. I'm now going to start by making the mixed beans, and to my wok, I'm adding a little bit of coconut oil and allow the coconut oil to melt. Once the coconut oil has melted, I'm just adding my shallot and garlic and I'll fry this until fragrant. Once the shallot and garlic is fragrant, I decided to add some diced chilies, and this is because I want some heat in my mixed beans. Now this step is entirely optional, so if you don't like spicy food, you can skip this step. I'm now going to add my tinned cherry tomatoes, and if you don't have tinned cherry tomatoes, you can certainly use fresh diced cherry tomatoes. I'm now gently breaking the tomatoes to release the juices from it. And this is what it looks like after breaking the cherry tomatoes. I am now going to add my seasonings, and next I'll mix everything together and allow the sauce to simmer on low to medium heat for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes of simmering, don't forget to taste and adjust seasoning if needed. I'm now going to add my mixed bell peppers. I'll mix everything together. Next, I will add the spinach and I will also mix everything together, followed by the mixed beans. I'm now going to add the mixed beans and I'll gently mix everything together and simmer on low to medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. And guys, this smells so good. Whilst the beans is simmering, I'm going to start frying the sea bass. And to fry the sea bass, I have placed a frying pan over medium to high heat and I've added a little bit of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to place the sea bass skin side down in my frying pan. Once I have both fish in a frying pan, I'm just pressing the fish down to ensure that the skin is evenly cooked. I will allow the sea bass to cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the skin is crisp and golden. And 3 to 4 minutes later, gently flip the sea bass over and allow the meaty part to cook for 1 minute. And guys, just look at how beautiful and crisp the sea bass skin is. And the sea bass is ready, so I'm just going to remove it from my frying pan and I'll set this aside ready for plating. I've just flipped this one over so you guys can see how beautiful the inside looks. In less than 30 minutes, the mixed beans is ready. You have yourself one beautiful pan-fried sea bass. And guys, this recipe is great if you're doing a low carb diet. I have garnished it with some slice of lemon and also fresh parsley. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and don't forget to click that notification bell, which will notify you every time I post a new video. Enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye.